Hello. Today we are here to present to you a special and exclusive offer for 3D printing enthusiasts. With the Big Bundle, the largest and most comprehensive package of distinctive 3D design. Our complete collection includes all LUTs, anime, movies, TV shows, games, Marvel, DC, cosplay props, 40K Warhammer, and more. This massive package will grant you a lifetime library with just a few clicks. Features of this package: over 100,000 high-quality files. Free lifetime updates. Once you purchase this package, you'll receive our future models for free. Lifetime commercial license. One-time payment, no monthly installments. File categorization for easy search. All files stored in Google Drive. Easy file downloads. Support for all devices. Detailed documentation.